Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most innovative products on the market. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the best sun iron-on patch. This patch isn't just a piece of fabric. It has a charm that can transform any garment into a delightful work of art. Let's take a closer look at what makes this sun-themed iron-on patch stand out from the rest. The design is vibrant and playful, featuring a beautiful sun that exudes warmth and positivity. This perfect little accessory is ideal for anyone looking to add a touch of summer to their wardrobe, even when those sunny days are far away. What immediately captures your attention is the intricate detail woven into the patch. The sun's rays spread outward in a dazzling display, surrounded by a pop of golden hues that are sure to brighten up your day. Crafted with high-quality embroidery, this patch is not only visually appealing but also made to last. The durable materials ensure that you can enjoy this delightful design for years to come, even after multiple washes. Now, applying this patch is a breeze. The instructions are straightforward, making it ideal for enthusiasts of all ages. Simply iron it onto your favorite clothing item, whether it's a jacket, backpack, or hoodie, and watch it transform into something uniquely yours. The heat-activated adhesive on the back ensures it securely stays in place, so you won't have to worry about it peeling or coming off in the wash. What I love most about the best sun iron-on patch is its versatility. You can easily use it to cover a small tear or a stain, giving new life to an old favorite. Or, if you're feeling creative, think about customizing a t-shirt or a tote bag for your summer outings or crafting it into a unique gift for a friend. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're going for a laid-back casual look or dressing up for a day of fun in the sun, this patch can complement so many styles. Pair it with denim for a laid-back vibe or adorn a dress to bring a touch of playfulness to your outfit. It's a fantastic way to express yourself and your love for sunny days and good vibes. Caring for the patch is as simple as can be. You don't need to fuss over complicated cleaning methods. It's recommended to wash the garment inside out and avoid harsh detergents or bleach to maintain the vibrant colors. This ensures that the sun patch remains a striking feature on your clothing, shining bright no matter the setting. The best sun iron-on patch is not just an accessory, it's a celebration of creativity, individuality, and sunny dispositions. If you're looking to add a little flair to your wardrobe or to express your sunny personality in a fun and practical way, look no further. This patch truly embodies everything you could want in an iron-on. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique today. If you're as excited about the best sun iron-on patch as I am, be sure to check out the link in the description to grab one for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our latest reviews and recommendations. Stay sunny, and we'll see you in the next video.